Got a 2009 Pontiac GT 3.5. The car got the check engine light, and I got all these codes right here. I got the P0446 and the P0455. So it says the evap vent control circuit is damaged. So to check if the vent valve is bad, we're gonna do the test. As you can see, either way is connected or not connected. The valve is stuck in my glove, so you're gonna remove it with a 10mm socket. And when you're done, just reconnect everything and just go back inside the car and use a computer to erase all the codes. And you're ready to go, guys. If the evap leak continues, so you need to do a smoke test to see where the small leak is coming from. So thank you guys for watching my videos. If you got any questions, just let me know. And right now we're gonna clear all the codes and we're gonna do a test drive. Okay, so thank you again, and see you next time.